Hey y'all, Dave here, Wild Hearts Farm. So I was just doing some mowing, which is what I seem to spend most of my time doing in the summer, at least this year, when all of a sudden the mower just stopped. The PTO was still running, but the mower just came to sort of a screeching halt. It wasn't cutting grass anymore. PTO's spinning, but nothing's happening. So this isn't the first time that's happened to me before. We have really large ant hills here, and sometimes when you run over one of those big ant hills, this will happen. So let me just show you what the culprit is. And there you go. You see that bolt and bolt end there? Well, this is actually meant to break just like this. When there's too much strain on the bottom of the mower, if it gets hemmed up, if it gets caught on something, a little bit too much of a strain, that will actually break so you don't ruin all of your gears within your gear crank here, your crankcase, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what the technical term is. So this has happened to me before. I actually keep several of these handy just in case this does happen. So I'm going to show you all how to swap this out, replace this, and then get you back mowing, because that's what us guys do. All right, so there's two access panels right here, and then the same on the other side up here. Now this is where the shear pin goes. It basically is going to connect this piece where the PTO is, weird, I don't know what you call the drive shaft, whatever, to this piece over here. Like I said, I don't know the technical terms. Because the shear pin broke up at both ends, and we saw that on the deck here, so here we go, we got both ends. It's going to make it a little bit more difficult to find that hole. This does slide forward and backwards, and it slides around, so you really have to get in here and try to find that hole. All right, if you open that other access panel, you'll see that sunlight. And then once you get those two holes lined up, pretty close at least, you can then use a screwdriver and start to sort of get it perfectly lined up to get your bolt in. Alright, so this is the replacement bolt. Got to make sure it actually does shear. It is the 3074 TY. The other one on top said TG. So if that makes a difference, I'll go ahead and add something in the comments section. But I believe this is the same one I've used in the past. Let's go ahead and get this installed. Tight. We're good to go. Alright y'all, so don't let this busted bolt, busted shear pin ruin the rest of your day and keep you from finishing your mowing and doing all that good work. It's a really easy fix. I would keep a handful of them around the shop just in case when it breaks and you run right back to the shop, get that swapped out. Listen, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. I've got a lot more DIY type videos coming up, a lot more maintenance type videos coming up as well, keeping all of your nice John Deere equipment in pristine condition. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe. All right.